Section 1, A Cup of Tea in a World of Challenges, Mrs. Lee's Story. Meet Mrs. Lee, a vibrant 78-year-old who cherishes her independence and the comfort of a daily cup of tea. Living alone brings unique hurdles. Lately, her hands feel weaker, and her memory isn't as sharp. She can stand at her counter but tires more quickly. A fear of getting burned has crept in, turning a loved ritual into anxiety. A small task becomes a mountain, new risks and frustrations. We, as therapists, have the privilege of observing these moments. When you watch her attempt to make tea, a story unfolds. She confidently places the kettle on the stove. The challenge emerges when the water is hot. Her hands tremble as she pours. Spills become inevitable, dangerous puddles on the counter. On some days, her grip falters. The cup slips and falls. These aren't isolated incidents. They're critical clinical clues. There's a mismatch between task demands and her current abilities. Her goal is simple: make tea safely and independently. Our role is to bridge desire and capacity. This is where activity analysis and grading come in. Dissect the activity, adjust difficulty, enhance safety, and help her reclaim this meaningful part of her day. The power of activity analysis. So, what is activity analysis? It's looking at an activity with a magnifying glass, breaking a task into every step and component. You don't just see making tea. You see gather supplies, prepare the kettle, pour, and take the first sip. We examine physical skills, strength, coordination, and cognitive skills, memory, planning. This shows what the task needs and what the person must have. The process is straightforward. Step 1. Name the activity in detail. Single cup of instant tea with stovetop kettle. Step 2. List every step in order. Get the mug, walk to the sink, fill the kettle, place it on the stove, boil and pour. Step 3. Identify tools and materials. Step 4. Consider the environment. This gives a complete blueprint. Section 3. Making tasks just right. Once you've analyzed the activity, the next step is to master grading. Grading modifies a task to make it easier or harder, like adjusting a game's difficulty. Too hard frustrates, too easy bores. The just right challenge drives learning. There are two directions for grading: grading down and grading up. Grading down often comes first, especially for safety. For Mrs. Lee, we can grade down the tea-making task. Reduce effort with a lightweight electric kettle instead of a heavy stovetop kettle. Simplify steps. Use a tea bag, not loose-leaf tea. Modify environment. Sit to pour, reducing balance demands and risk. After successful seated sessions, she feels in control. Now we progress toward her original method. Encourage brief standing during the pour, then switch to a single-handled mug and gradually increase kettle weight to build strength. Add carrying the cup across rooms when ready. Effective grading is precise, strategy, not random change. Change the tool, alter the environment, modify the sequence, or adjust assistance. While grading promotes progress, safety must be unwavering. Each modification changes variables. Anticipate and mitigate risks. Before, during, and after every session, conduct a mental safety check. Is the client stable and well supported? Is the environment free of hazards? Are tools appropriate? Use auto shutoff, cool touch, and slow pour features. Keep the workspace clear and paths unobstructed. Document modifications, client response, and your rationale. Activity analysis and grading are practical, everyday tools, the essence of what we do. Start by watching, break it down. Target the exact difficulty. Small, deliberate changes can mean dignity and independence. For Mrs. Lee, tea becomes a symbol of resilience. Subscribe for more clinical tips.